world titles back.
Let's go!
The road there begins now. Both men with tremendous knockout power. Ong La goes headhunting with a high kick early. Did he bring the steel pipe, as he likes to call it, in the right hand to Singapore tonight? Gotta watch the jumping knees of Ataides. Brazilian can get airborne. Ong La fakes the back leg. Ataides in southpaw stance. Long arms on Ataides.
This is where Ong La feels most comfortable. It's when it's on the feet and he's utilizing that Dutch-style kickboxing that he's been working so hard on. I like the kicks that he's adding. He's mixing up the targets, attacking the legs, the body, and the head of Leandro.
Body shot from Ong La. See, you hear Henry Hooft in the corner of Ong La saying, maintain the pressure.
Leandro's got to be careful. He does like to carry his hands down by his waist. He's a gunslinger. Oh, that was a beautifully timed double leg. I guess that answers the question. Would Leandro Ataides follow the same game plan that RDR has laid out? He has been training out there in Holland with RDR recently, and he said he wanted to take this match to the ground, and he does just that.
Top position for Leandro Ataides.
We're so used to seeing Leandro knock people out, but he is a world champion black belt, ladies and gentlemen.
Watch for the back of the head, yeah?
Good butterfly guard there by Ong La to prevent the pass and the advance into position. Ong La gives up his back in the process, though. Leandro's got really good back control.
Ong La back to his feet now. Can he turn into his opponent? First 2 minutes down, set for a 15-minute match.
Ong La said he likes the body type of Leandro a lot better than he likes the body type of RDR because he's stockier, he's got more muscle, and he's not as tall and rangy. So he's able to utilize a lot of the takedown defense that he knows so well. And he did just that. He's able to pop back up to his feet. Let's see if Leandro tries to take him the other way and pull him to his right side. Ong La's kind of heavy onto the left side there. Let's see what Leandro chooses to do here. He might choose to separate. He tried to go left or right, but he didn't really work. Ong La's got good takedown defense. No, he's been working hard on it. Referee chooses to separate him.
Good call from Mohamed Sulaiman. Uppercut to a left hand there from Leandro Ataides. He's sloppy though. Rides the head kick from Ong La. Big overhand right from Ong La. Ataides puts him against the fence. Drops down for another double. Front kick there from Ataides. Ong La wants to hurt Leandro Ataides tonight.
Ong La's putting some emotion behind these shots.
He wants a knockout. Myanmar's most famous star, Ong Man Sung, another high kick, going for the headache maker. Right hand from Ong La, body shot. Body shot from Ataides. Oh, he clipped him with the left hand. Shaves the beard of Ataides.
Leandro's moving his head, but he's getting touched up in the process. You do not want to stand there and play this game with Ong La. You have to keep your guard nice and tight.
The liver knee hurt him. The right hand hurt him. Oh! Back, the big come on!